Novelty cat sauce. That did I know how much is? $3. Is this the bag? Yes. They have the octopus. Like, okay, what can we find? That is $5. What is these? Oh, it is. They're $5. Oh, the amber one's $5. What is these? French outdoor. It's a game. $5. Collapsible. Oh, this is glass storage bin. $5. Oh, that's glass also. Snack container, $5. I like that glass. 2-in-1 bottle. Hey, they're $5. That is cute. That's $5. Oh, $3 for your garden bed. Like $5. They also have the burger one. Ooh, yellow mustard. Hot dog. That is so cute. What is that? The one, the light up? The light up? How much? And I also have the popcorn. That is cool. Oh, it's $5. Is it C11? Food safe. Yeah, that is cute. $3. Oh, what is these? It's a blue whale decorative basket. Oh, I like this one. How much is it? $5. And these? Oh, is that a pie? Oh, doormat, yeah. Is that a pie? Ceramic tray, $5. Expandable drawer dividers, $3. They also, what is? Okay, let me see. Jewelry hoops. It's thundering outside. Hurry. What is the desktop storage? $3. Oh, card storage. Hide and organize your cords. Oh, okay. Oh, cord storage. Did I say card storage? Canvas, cloth bin, foldable storage. $5. Of the $3. Look, $3. Glassware. They have a different design. Compress sponge. The kitchen is closed. That's right. If you let it clean, it should be. Welcome to the. How much? $1. Look at the color. They're $50. Like 50% off. What is this? 10. This is huge. It is so cute. They're $10. Happy. No, that. Why they're not happy? So that is $15. Phone crossbody with wallet. Like that color. And that 2-in-1 tassel keychain cable. Neck one. It's a cute bag. It's a $12. And most of their charms on clearance $6. That is so cute. I think they're berries, they're 10. They're 10. Oh, it's cute. They're $30. Aw, and a charm. That is so cute. Hey, this is so cute. They're 18, 15, in the French fries. We'll see which one are. That is $9. We're looking for the clearance, $9. Cute bag. They're 25. Here at Target, we're looking for the clearance one. They also have the Dr. Pepper sausage, half the price, the beer brats, and the original one. That one is like 165. Gluten-free blueberry muffin. Yes, please. Pretty. The spinach and arugula 140, organic and good until on the 5th.